everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am contouring myself into Kim Kardashian. I don't know why. I have no idea why. I just thought, in the whole light of my previous video, which I did all about Facetune, I thought that I would show you what you can do without Facetune and with contouring. I was going to do like a contouring myself into a completely different person, and then I thought, you know what, these celebrity looks are quite good fun. So I found this picture of Kim K, and I thought, do you know what, I could make myself look like her, I think. So I put my hair up. I've had to fake my long ponytail because I cut my hair off, didn't I? Fake it till you make it. Am I right, lads? Am I right? I basically just crack straight into it. Oh wow, they look good. Yeah, I want these boobies. Okay, so I have finished this lip plumping. I forgot how good it is. Look, that's just a little bit of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The ears looked highlighted, so I highlighted my ears. A bit strange, but I'm actually very impressed with this area. Who needs a boob job when you can contour? I should have added this little triangle highlight into my big tips for small boobs. I should have put that in there. We'll leave things in the description down below and all that jazz. I don't know why I don't contour like this more often. I feel so chiseled and like, yeah. My lips, look at my lips. Look at them. Look like I've had filler. Right then, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know if you enjoyed this inspired look. type video. If you want to see any more inspired looks or anything like that, please leave them down below. I have been told I look like a few different people, so if you think I look like someone and you want me to recreate a look to look like them, please let me know down below. I will have a go. I'm not a makeup artist, but I just have a bit of fun and I've learned through YouTube, so I hope you guys can learn a few tips and tricks as well in this video. Please subscribe if you are new here and hit that notification bell on. I upload twice a week, so you don't want to miss out on an upload. Please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! I shake my big titties.